First off, fellow Toastmasters and guests, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It's my distinct pleasure to be the Toastmaster of today, and let me start off by wishing you all a very, very happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
The way Sunil was introducing me, he said, Sarthi was, it was like he was referring to a dead person. Sunil, unfortunately, I'm very much alive, and I very much look forward to being part of this meeting. My role as Toastmaster of the day will be, for the benefit of the guests, to walk you through the proceedings of the meeting, try and be sort of the fluid that flows in between, while not grabbing too much of the limelight. This has been specifically told to me by Priyanka. Sarthi, whatever you do, don't talk for too long on stage. Just try and get the introductions and be off stage. So that is what I'll try to do today. Let me start off by introducing the theme of the day. Can you see the theme of today written on your sheets, on your agenda? It is?
A new year or
New year, new beginning. A new year, a new beginning. And today is in fact a fantastic beginning for all of us as part of Medley Toastmasters Club. We have a wonderful new XCOM. We have an age record being broken by the new XCOM. It's now what? 30 years? 30 years the average age. Now with Sunil out of the way, next term it will be even younger. So with the XCOM breaking new records, I'd like us to break new records by setting a wonderful performance on stage. And XCOM have given us a perfect platform today to set the parameter in quality. We have a fantastic array of speakers, educational speakers, championship winning speakers, and a fantastic array of role players. For the benefit of the guests, the meeting is normally structured into three components: prepared speeches, table topics, and evaluations. So there is a slight twist to it. Instead of the prepared speeches, we have two championship speakers, award-winning speakers, giving off their speeches. And we have an education session by the gentleman who just walked in, Toastmasters. A big round of applause. So we have our two award-winning speeches, then we have the table topics, and then we have the wonderful education session that I'm sure all of you are licking your lips towards. So let me start off with the introduction for the first person to come on stage today. But I'll make this a little different. I'll give you a list of introductions. Everyone here? Everyone paying attention?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll give you a list of introductions, and it's your job to pick the correct introduction. Okay? Everyone have a pen?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
If you don't, share a sheet with the person. Everyone have an agenda first of all. If you don't have, please raise your hand. Everyone has an agenda? Okay. So only turn towards the back of the agenda and split it into three columns. Three columns. Done?
Yep.
Okay? You can share a sheet if you don't have a pen. You can just write it and both of you refer to that sheet. Okay? Everyone ready?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So the first column is the place of beginning. So that is the place of birth. So this is the place where this person was born. Okay? And you have three options: Chennai, Karnataka, Kerala. Write down these three options. Chennai, Karnataka, Kerala. Yes, sir.
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala. Some people are very precise. The next column you have the year of joining Toastmasters. Date of birth, date of Toastmasters birth. And you have 2008, 2012, 2014, and 2006. 2008, 2012, 2014, and 2006. And the last column is the new resolution or new beginning. Okay? The first one is lose weight. Lose weight. Okay, it's not mine, don't worry. I know I have to do that. It's not my resolution. The second one is continue from the past. 'Third one is not get tense easily, to remain calm. The fourth person takes up a new activity almost every year, and for this year it is running. And the fifth is somewhat similar, it is to lead or start a health-focused lifestyle. So do you have 5 resolutions in the last column? Again, no sound, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, fine. So I will call upon 5 speakers or 5 role players in all today. They are, starting off with the General Evaluation Toastmaster Rajesh Natarajan, the Table Topics Master Toastmaster Alex Jacob, the first speaker or award-winning speaker Toastmaster Jaswant, the second award-winning speaker Toastmaster Hugh. Where's Hugh? Hugh, raise your hand. Yes? Okay. And the educational speaker Toastmaster Sridhar Ranganathan. Okay, and your job is to guess which of these apply to these speakers as I call them on stage.
Okay.
Okay? Very
Yes.
confusing?
Yes, of course.
Wouldn't be medley without it. Okay, so let's start off with the first speaker who is performing the role of general evaluator is none other than the Toastmaster Rajesh Natarajan. Which year did he join?
2006.
2008.
One answer, raise your hand.
2006.
For each answer you give, you get a plus point or a minus point. Okay? Yes. Toastmaster Rajesh Natarajan, all 3.
2006.
Mhm.
That is 2006.
Yeah, 2006.
6 sounded different.
2006. Okay, Toastmaster Rajesh Natarajan, 2006. Yes, Toastmaster Venkatesh, you have to complete all the answers.
Place of beginning in Tamil Nadu. First column.
Okay?
New Year resolution.
New Year resolution.
Lead a healthy life.
Lead a health-focused lifestyle. Let's give Toastmaster Alex Jacob a huge round of applause. His place of birth is Tamil Nadu. Which year did he join Toastmasters? That is incorrect.
2008.
2008. Let's give Toastmaster Satish a huge round of applause. And with that, let's welcome the general evaluator for today who will be critiquing today's meeting, Toastmaster Rajesh Natarajan.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster, for that engaging introduction. Now, a lot of people relate general evaluation to too many things like heart of Toastmasters, kidney of Toastmasters, blood of Toastmasters,
Backbone.
too many things. Let us make it very simple, right? If you have got to talk about India, there are going to be chapters of Abdul Kalam which cannot be missed out. If you're going to talk about cricket, there are going to be chapters of Sachin Tendulkar which cannot be missed out. And if you're going to talk about our Toastmaster, the Saradi Srinivas life, well, there will be so many people who will be engaged in that chapters. Predominant chapter being taken by, I forgot the name, Subhasri. It's his wife. Okay. So similarly, if you're going to talk about Toastmasters, general evaluation takes the predominant space. Okay. So such is the importance of evaluation, and to me, assisting this to perform this general evaluation role, I have usually in any meeting there will be timer, R counter, and a grammarian. Today, considering the plethora of speakers, we have written off the roles of grammarian and R counter so that they can feel at home on stage. Okay. So we'll have, I have in my team, I have a timer, Toastmaster Aishwarya. She's been a Toastmaster since. I'm not going to make guessing like what Sarathi did. Okay. She's been Toastmaster since September, and she's working in Dell. And the craziest thing she has ever done for a New Year is been to Marina Beach. Couple of years before, and she felt like it was the most scariest thing that she could see so many people around at that point of time. So Toastmaster Aishwarya, we request you to spell out your objective.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
As timer, I will be helping the speakers practice expressing a thought within a specific time. My duty is to try to prepare speeches, table topic speeches, and speech evaluations during this meeting. For table topics, each speaker is encouraged to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. I will show the green card 1 minute, the yellow card at 1 minute 30 seconds, and red card at 2 minutes. If you speak under time, over time by more than 30 seconds, you will be disqualified and are not eligible for awards. If you speak less than 1 minute, you will be disqualified. I will report qualifying times when I'm called upon at the end of the meeting. Over to Jennifer.
Thank you so much, Tata. Ladies and gentlemen, our timer is going to be very strict on timings, considering the people around her. Okay, stick out your time when you come up on stage. And today we will not have any evaluators, speech evaluators per se for this evaluation, but we will be having a table topic speeches here. And I will come back at the end of the meeting to submit my report as a general evaluator. Until then, over to the Toastmaster of the day.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give Toastmaster Rajesh a huge round of applause.